5 real defense companies, all trading on NASDAQ right now, all tied to the same trend reshaping modern warfare. And almost nobody outside a small circle of investors has ever heard their names. I verified all 5 by hand before writing a single word. No company name, no ticker, not until the full story is told. If you like finding stories like this before the crowd does, hit subscribe right now, because I dig up 5 fresh ones every single week that nobody else is covering. Let's get into stock number 5. A small aerospace company built itself by combining pieces that don't usually sit under one roof. A Danish military drone maker, an avionics manufacturer, and a military training outfit, all stitched together into one integrated defense platform. Its reconnaissance drone is already flying real missions in contested airspace, where GPS signals get jammed and electronic warfare is active. The company recently signed a joint venture to bring combat-proven drone production into its own portfolio, and it is sitting on a booking pipeline worth more than $190 million. It is also waiting on a specific military certification that, if approved, would open the door to much larger government contracts. This stock is a higher-risk, earlier-stage name, and it trades on NASDAQ right now. Moving to stock number 4. This one only went public earlier this year, and almost nobody has noticed it yet. Based out of Estonia, this tiny company builds software that lets swarms of military drones coordinate and fight together as a single intelligent unit, instead of operating one at a time. It recently signed a deal worth close to $3 million to supply over 16,000 software licenses for use on combat quadcopters. The company is targeting $20 million in revenue this year and already has a backlog of over $33 million. An enormous number for a company this size and this new to the public markets. Stock number 3 next, and this one has nothing to do with drones flying through the sky. It has to do with training soldiers without ever leaving the ground. This company builds virtual reality treadmill systems that let a person walk, run, and move in any direction inside a simulated combat environment, all while standing in one physical spot. Several branches of the United States military are already testing this technology, alongside universities and entertainment venues. Revenue is still small, only a few $1,000,000 a year, but it grew over 35% in the last 12 months, and the company just landed a compatibility deal with a major consumer virtual reality headset, potentially opening a much bigger commercial funnel on top of its military business. Now, stock number 2, and I guarantee almost nobody watching this has connected this brand to defense at all. This company makes smart glasses and augmented reality displays, the kind that overlay information directly into a soldier's field of vision. Its technology is being used across warehousing, medical, aerospace, and military settings, with orders coming in from logistics companies, veterinary clinics, and Tier 1 defense customers. The company currently earns essentially all of its revenue from this one video eyewear product line. It is reporting real losses and has less than a year of cash runway left, which makes this one of the riskiest names on this list. But it also means any major new defense contract could move the stock dramatically in either direction. And now, stock number 1. I saved this one for last because it sits quietly behind almost everything else on this list without most investors realizing it. This company doesn't build drones or headsets itself. It builds the components other companies need in order to build drones, missiles, and rockets at all. Specialized precision parts used across space and defense programs. Analysts at a major investment bank recently named this company one of their top picks in the entire defense and space sector, citing its position as an advantaged supplier during a period where governments are pushing hard to bring defense manufacturing back onto domestic soil. Unlike some of the smaller names on this list, this one already has real revenue and real institutional coverage behind it, making it the most established name in this group of 5. 5 real defense stocks, all connected to the same shift happening in modern warfare right now, drones, autonomous systems, soldier training, and the components that hold it all together. Stock number 5 was Aero Group Holdings, ticker AIRO. Stock number 4 was Swarmer, ticker SWMR. Stock number 3 was Virtuix Holdings, ticker VTIX. Stock number 2 was Vuzix, ticker VUZI. And stock number 1 was Carmen Holdings, ticker KRMN. All 5 trade on NASDAQ right now. Every single one of these carries real risk, especially the smaller names on this list, which are early stage, thinly traded, and in some cases burning through cash quickly. Do your own research before putting any money into any of them. I drop a new video like this every single week, so subscribe and hit the bell if you want to catch the next one. Hit like if this was worth your time, and tell me in the comments which of these 5 you are researching first. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. These stocks carry real risk, and you could lose money. Always consult a qualified financial professional before investing.